Welcome back. Okay, I hope you're hungry because we're about to dish breakfast with a chef who's really made his mark on the Bay Area's breakfast scene.
He's about to show Malou Nubla how to make an open-faced omelet with, get this, nettles and garden herbs. Malou,
Okay.
I have no idea what that is. So I'm very excited for this.
Me too, Danny. Me too, Danny and Amber. I thought like nettles are for tea, right? But yes, you can cook with nettles. And here to tell us all about that is Chef Dommen of One Market in San Francisco. Great to see you.
Great to see you.
All right, so nettles, not just for tea.
Not just for tea. You can cook with them, and they're very flavorful.
Okay, so I'm wearing gloves, so you should not touch these because they are sharp.
Absolutely. They're underneath. They have these little needles on them, and once they hit the heat, they disintegrate, and then they become edible. But before that, they could sting you, and they just irritate your skin a little bit.
Okay, so don't eat them raw. All right, so how do we do this?
So you just peel them off and then wash them. I have a bunch washed already here.
Okay.
And then they go into the pan.
All right, and how long you cook that for?
Just till they're wilted, because once they wilt, the needles disintegrate, and then they're edible at that point.
So forget all the spinach in an omelet. Go ahead and use nettles.
Absolutely.
And they're good for you.
Absolutely. So it's a blood tonic, so it cleanses your blood, among other things.
All right, okay.
what they do.
And well, it's the end of nettle season right now too, right?
It is. You might still find some at the farmer's market, but otherwise they're starting to grow into seeds.
And what else do you use nettles for cooking?
In pasta, like the stuffing for ravioli. We use them on pizzas.
Yeah. And Mark, why are people so intimidated, with cooking with nettles?
Because I think it's something wild and foraged, and it's the intimidation factor of having the needles.
Yeah.
So, so my omelets, I like to have them a little bit soft, so I stop stirring them there, and then I add just a little more butter to help it from sticking.
Okay. By the way, I want to mention farm to table. Everything here is from your garden except for the butter, even the eggs.
Absolutely, the eggs. I have chickens here. I got herbs in my garden. I'm going to start putting some herbs on top here.
What kind of herbs are you putting on there?
That's a little oregano. There's a little tarragon here.
All right.
Got some chives.
Oh my gosh, everything is so green and bright in
A
color.
little garlic chive.
All right.
So then once the bottom of the omelet sets here.
So how do you cook them? Do you cook them till they're like, I see a little bit of, it's clear, so.
I like them soft. Again, I like it soft so it's not quite runny. And once you take it off, the residual heat's going to keep cooking the omelet. So
oh my gosh, that is
just
beautiful.
Slide it off, and I like it open faced so you can see everything that's on there.
That is beautiful, Mark. Okay, so then you add some flowers here.
Here we have some flowers.
All edible.
All edible. So these are some nasturtium blossoms. I have some chive blossoms here.
Chive blossoms taste like chives?
They do, and they're beautiful.
Look at how pretty that is. And then?
And then?
What's that final one?
This is from my broccolini that's in the garden. It's starting to go out again because of the heat.
Oh my
It's
gosh.
made it go into seed. So we got some flowers going here. So you got a little healthy broccoli in there as well.
Okay, so that is the prettiest open face omelet I have ever seen. All right, let me go ahead and take a bite because of course you already made another one here for us. So what does this taste like?
So it's a little earthy. The nettles are a little bit earthy, but then you get the herbs, the herbaceousness, and they all just kind of blend together.
Mmm, delicious. Earthy for sure. It doesn't taste like anything I've ever tasted before.
It's pretty unique flavor.
Yeah. Chef Mark, thank you very much. Nettles, not just for tea, for cooking too. There you have it, and it's good for you. My blood feels clear right now. Danny and Amber, I feel clear blood right now.
Oh, good,
Thank
Malou.
you.
I'm jealous. That looks delicious. Okay.
So good.
Yeah, definitely. I'm going to go out and buy some nettles now. Who knew?
Yeah.
Right?
Learn something new every day. Thank you, Malou.